Some people in Poughkeepsie have been complaining about dirt bikes and ATVs racing up and down the streets of the city. They are illegal and create a hazard not only to themselves but to the public. In 2021, then Poughkeepsie Mayor Rob Rollison proposed that the operators of these vehicles, usually in groups, ride with abandon over many parts of the city, including within city parks, with no regard for traffic laws, their own well-being, or the safety of bystanders. This parking garage is a new place where people ride dirt bikes illegally.